Look here, this week we've got an Uncle Ben's skillet. We've got the Southwest chicken, and I'll insert a, here's the back of the box. Alright, that's got all your, nutritional information, yada yada. We're going to do it for camp, okay? So, alright, so we're going to try out making Uncle Ben's skillet here for camp. Means we're not going to use fresh chicken. I'm going to use canned. If I was backpacking this into the woods, I would take a bag and lose the water weight. But these are hard to find right now. So yeah, these are hard to find right now. There's no water in there, it's just the chicken. So I'm saving it for my camping trip. So today we're going to use a can of chicken. And for the vegetables, instead of their suggestions of fresh vegetables, we're going to use the vegetable chili mix from Harmony House. So this has pinto beans, potato dices, carrots, corn, cabbage, tomato, and onion. So the box called for corn, bell pepper, and tomatoes. And we're going to use this. The box calls for 2.5 cups of water. We're going to throw a little extra in for the vegetables, and let's cook it. We're going to cook it on this Sterno stove here. And somebody asked me about this the other week. I'll try to put a link for one if you're interested and you want to look at them. And they also asked me about cooking with Sterno that didn't get as hot like mine seemed to get. And that's because I'm using this. I'm using BioFuel. And frankly, let's see here. Can you see that? Here, pause it and get the website. That's the only place I can find it anymore, straight from their website. I bought out a whole shelf of it in clearance at Walmart. And it works pretty good for things I want to cook for a period of time. So let's get in the pot and see what we can come up with. Alright, so the recipe called for 2.5 cups of water, and I added a 1/4 cup for the vegetables. I threw in a good palmful. Water's getting hot, we're opening chicken. Alright, so at this point we got a boil. And I think we just add everything in. That's what the box says. So 1 seasoning packet. 1 thing of, Uncle Ben's skillet, Southwest chicken, and chicken. Alright, let's cover it up and see how long it takes to recover that boil. Yeah, we're starting to get some little bubbles again. Let's set the timer for 25 minutes and come back. Can y'all hear that? It sounds like we've got a pretty hard boil, so I'm going to add this simmer ring to my fuel canister. We're going to turn the heat down a notch. Alright, we've been on the boil for about 20 minutes. Shall we take a peek and see what we've got going on so far? Whew. Well, it's going to need every bit of that 25 minutes, isn't it? Maybe more. But we got a decent simmer. So I'm going to put the lid on and I guess we'll check it at 25 minutes. But I'm thinking it might go 30. Alright, 25 minutes in. We're starting to thicken up. Ooh. Let me taste a kernel and see what we got going on here. They're starting to be cooked. Lid back on. Alright, y'all. 40 minutes. Yeah, I just don't know. I guess I'm gonna let this guy go for 5 more minutes. Give this guy a little taste test. Oh, it's hot. Alright, so we've been on for a full 45 minutes, y'all. And I guess we'll call that most of the water is absorbed. I would like to see more water absorbed. Toward the end of the cooking process, this is supposed to set off the heat for 5 minutes, so we'll do that. But it's supposed to be add the chicken and it sets off the heat for 5 minutes. I guess to warm the chicken back through. I don't know, maybe the chicken being in there had an effect on our cook time. So off the heat it goes. Lid back on. Snuff out the stove and we'll wait 5 more minutes. Alright, we gave it its 5-minute rest. Let's put some in the bowl and give her a taste test. Still a little bit watery. You definitely got enough food in here for 2, maybe 3 people. You want the close-up? There we go. Uncle Ben's skillet meals. Let's give it a taste. Don't y'all just hate it when the battery dies on the very last shot? Yeah, look here. There's the spoon. It looks good. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, it's still hot. Yeah. Not bad, y'all. You know what? I don't know. I don't think it's my thing. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know, there's something kind of earthy about it that I don't like. If I pulled up to camp and I was tired and this is what I cooked, I'd eat it. I mean, it's not nasty, but no, I'm not. I don't know that I'm buying this again. I'm not sure what it is I don't like about it, y'all, but it's just not there. So there we go. I don't know. You give it a shot and see what you think. You know, maybe you'll like it. Just not my thing. But we'll see you on the trail. I've taken a few bites. It might be the canned chicken that I'm not digging. I'm not quite sure what it is. So there's that. Let's see. So much canned chicken in there, I can't get a bite without. I don't know, it's got a tinge to it and an earthiness, and I don't know, maybe it's the can from the chicken. But yeah, I'm not doing that again. I really want to like it. It was convenient. There we go. There's other stuff out there I do like, so moving right along. That's going back in the pot. Don't get me wrong, I got something to go do. I'm not going to waste it. But I'm not buying it again. When I got home, I let Mama Bear and Gummy Bear give it a try, and they confirmed what I thought. There just wasn't something right about it. Not quite sure what it was. The canned chicken, the dehydrated vegetables, something didn't sit well. Anyhow, we'll see you on the trail.